Hi guys, ZFX back again. So I've seen I'm getting a lot of love on the previous video I've posted, almost 1,000 views. So I thought I'd start sharing some more videos with you guys. I've been working on some more strategies and I appreciate all your guys' love and feedback and your comments. Please leave a like on my videos, subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on WhatsApp. My number will be down in the description box below. Also, if you are looking for a broker to trade Nasdaq or US30 or any indices, please, there's a link in the description box below. You guys can register with that broker. That's the best broker for growing small accounts. So, also, what I wanted to mention is before we get into the video, into the strategy, if you guys want me to post some volatility index 75 strategies or any VIX strategies, just let me know. If you want me to post any Nasdaq or US30 strategies, just let me know. I don't mind doing that for you guys. The goal here is to make everyone financially free. I don't charge anything like other people, because those people who charge for the courses and robots and things like that, they're not making money. They're actually making money off people. So let's get into the video and let me demonstrate and show you guys how the strategy works. The strategy is about 99% accurate. So please test it on your demo, see how it works for you guys before trading on a real account. And once you're happy with the results, you guys can move on and trade into your real account. Right, let's get started, guys. So this strategy works for boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500 as well. But I like how boom 1000 and crash 1000 moves because it moves more consistently. It has more ticks. So I tend to trade crash 1000 and boom 1000 more than boom 500 and crash 500, although it does work on both. So let's get started. Right, so this is boom 1000. Let me show you guys the indicators that you guys will need to put on the chart in order to use the strategy. So you click on your screen, you press the F button. On your main chart, you add your moving average. Your period will be 55, your shift will be 17, your method will be simple, apply to close. Style 4 pixel, you can choose any color you like, but I chose yellow. Click done. You tap on your screen again, you press F, then you click on the F plus on the top, automatically indicator window 1 will add itself, then you add the MACD. Your settings for the MACD would be fast EMA 8, slow EMA 10, MACD SMA 8, apply to low, main 1 pixel color green, signal 2 pixel color blue. You click done. And that's it. You just need 2 indicators, guys. It's as simple as that. So let me show you guys how this strategy actually works. And I'm telling you guys are going to make so much money. You guys can go build $10 accounts with this money. It's so accurate. So for example, this is boom 1000. On the chart, you have to wait until the candles crosses the moving average. It has to cross 2 candles. So once it crosses there, you count 1, 2. This should be the second candle, and then you enter. You sell for 5 to 15 candles. It's completely up to you. You can hold for 20 candles, but I always hold between 5 and 10 candles just to be safe. So the condition is it has to pass the yellow moving average, 2 candlesticks, and then you enter. And then if you come here at the bottom, the market has to be below the zero. You see the zeros here? All those zeros? It has to pass this level. So once it passes the 0.00000, you check on the side. So for this entry, we would wait 2 candles. We see, okay, 1, 2, we enter. And then we check here in the bottom, we see if it passed the 0.0000. Once it passes that, you enter. And then you hold for 5 to 20 candles. I usually hold for 5 to 10 candles. I'm telling you guys are going to make so much money. The strategy works amazing. Let's look for another entry. Here we go again. Here's another one. So we see the candles crossing the moving average. We wait 2 candles, we enter, and we make sure it's below the 0.0000. You see, you enter. So both conditions has to be met. It has to move 2 candles below this before you enter, and it has to be below the 0.000 line. That's when you take your entry and you hold for 5 to 20 candles. But like I said, I only hold for 5 to 10 candles. The same with crash 1000, or if you want to trade boom 500 or crash 500, it's the same thing. So let me demonstrate to you guys. As you guys can see here, this happened not too long ago. You wait 2 candles, you enter. You make sure that it's above the 0.00. For crash it has to be above, for boom it has to be below. So once it's above the 0.000, and once it passes the moving average 2 candles past there, you enter and you hold. And you see, you guys can make so much money. The strategy works great, it's perfect, it's consistent. And if you guys want more videos like this, just let me know. So that's basically how the strategy works. It's simple, it's easy, you'll make good money. If you guys have any feedback, feel free to message me anytime on WhatsApp. I'll leave all my details in the description box below. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys have a great day and a great week further. I hope you guys make money. And yeah, all the best to you guys. Please guys, subscribe, share my videos. If you want to see the next video that's coming out after this one, I don't think you want to miss it because I'm working on some great strategies. So subscribe, like my videos, and leave a comment down below. And also, if you guys want to know the zoom level, you use zoom level 3. So basically, I'm zooming out now, right? So this is zoom level 1. I'll zoom in again. And zoom level 2. 1, 2, 3. So this is zoom level 3. We'll use zoom level 3. Okay, that's it guys. Until the next video, ZFX out.